Today we're making easy crusty bread. Quick and so fluffy. 680 grams strong flour. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon yeast. And mix him all up. Get one bowl and put one hole in the middle. 530 ml warm water. Put a little bit inside the hole. Slowly mix him and keep going the water. Don't pour him all the same time, otherwise it's gonna running everywhere. When he's sticky like this, he's done. Get one bowl, put a little bit Greek olive oil. Now put him inside and leave him sleeping couple hours. Now he's grow up, put him to the side, get some flour. Put her down, take him out the dough and put him on top. If you use the Greek olive oil, he's coming out much more easy. Put some flour on the top. Now fold him 4 or 5 times and make whatever shape you're needing. Put some flour on the baking paper and put him down. Pour flour on the top. Leave him sleeping another 10 minutes. Reheat your oven 220 degrees Celsius and put your dish inside. When it's ready, take him out. Hey, careful, he's hot. Wake him up and put him inside the dish. Put him in the oven 45 minutes. Now take him off the lid. Put him cooking another 15 minutes. Now leave her resting 10 minutes. Bloody sleeping more than me. Stretch him up. Do the heat test. Count her up. I'm gonna test with some olive oil, little bit Greek salt. Re is bloody beautiful, mate.